how to do a buy limit. So again, we're going to use 0.1 ounce AUUS. Okay, same thing, we press on trade. At the market execution part, we click on that, a drop down will come down. You select buy limit. Buy limit is when you want to buy at a price that's lower than current pricing. So you set the price that you're willing to pay for a contract. So we talked about 1680, right? So it's 168. And then when we press on place, the buy limit is completed. You can see your pending orders. You set one contract of 0.1 ounce at 168, which is 1680 per ounce. And on the right, that's the current price. This is 1757. So when prices go down to 168, GSC Live will auto trigger the pending order and it will hit the market right away. Again, for sell limit, it's the opposite of buy limit. You want to sell at a price that's higher than current pricing. So for example, now it's 1757, right? You want to sell at 176. So when you press place, that's the sell limit will go to your pending orders too. Okay. So for buy stop is where you set a buying price that's higher than current pricing. Why? Example, if prices are moving sideways and you don't really know which direction it's heading to, but you wouldn't want to miss out if prices take off, right? So that's why you set a buy stop so that you won't miss out. So for example, now it's 1757. I'm going to set a buy stop at 178. So when I press on place, the buy stop is confirmed. And you can see 0.1 ounce AUUS buy stop 178. And the current price is 175.8. Okay, lastly, which is your sell stop. Sell stop, you set a selling price that's lower than current pricing. It's actually a function, right, that can be implemented in trading strategies to guarantee a minimum profit. I will have a use case later on to show you how this works. Okay, for here, let's say at the start of July 2020, you bought gold at 1760. And then at the end of the month, you come back to check on your holdings and prices was 1960. You make a good $200 per ounce based on your 1 ounce gold, a $200 profit. But at this point in time, you see that prices start moving sideways and you don't know what to do. Whether prices will revert back to mean, fall all the way back, or is there more upside potential? But here's what I will do. I do a sell stop. I do a sell stop at 1915. So this is where I guarantee my earnings, $150. If prices revert back to mean, I still get a guaranteed earnings of 150. That's good, right? And then there's still upside potential. So if prices go higher, I get to earn more. So you can see how the functions of GSC Live can enhance your trading strategy.